Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today I will explain you chapter 4, Time for Celebration. In this chapter, we discuss about amazing festivals of India. Everyone loves to celebrate festival, not just because it is a day of holiday for us, but because festivals are special days that we celebrate with our friends and family. They bring lots of fun and also convey the message of unity among people. Children, you know that our country is known as the land of festival, but because there are so many type of different religion, and in every religion we have so many festivals, and these different festivals are celebrated in different ways. In India, there are three types of festival. First one is national festival, second religious festival, and third one is harvest festival. So now let us discuss about our national festivals. National festivals of our country are some great moment of the country and celebrated by all Indians. We have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Now first I take 15th August as our Independence Day. On 15th August, we celebrate our country's Independence Day. You know, on 15th August 1947, India got freedom from British rule and became a free country. Independence Day is celebrated everywhere in India, like school, colleges, clubs, offices, etc. The national flag is hosted and everyone sings national anthem to show their patriotism. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi, and after that he gives a speech for all Indians. Children, you can see all these things on your television on the day of 15th August. Everyone remember our great freedom fighters and their sacrifice for the nation. You know who is freedom fighters? Freedom fighters are the persons who sacrifice their life for the sake of nation. Now come to 26 January. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic country. So this day is celebrated as Republic Day of India. It is celebrated just like Independence Day. On this day, a grand and colorful parade is held at the capital city, New Delhi. The President of India takes the military salute during the parade at Rajpath. On the day of 26 January, you will see so many beautiful things on Rajpath, on TV also. On 2nd October, every Indian celebrated the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi because he is known as the father of nation, because he played a very important role in freeing India. So these are the national festivals of our country.